I'm making this one for you, May. I get one!
May, sit down and eat.
There you go. Wrap it up so it stays fresh, okay? I'm making this one for you, May. There you go.